There's a time and a place for the things you have to go through. You will rise, you will fall, stand tall, trying to stay true. There's a time and a place for the things you have to go through. You will rise, you will fall, stand tall, trying to stay true. People come, people go, some will stay and some just won't. You will say that you love them and later say that you don't. I just wish I can say that I loved when I get older. I hope I said goodbye, wiped off the tears I've cried, said I'm sorry for things that I've done, and I hope I got closure. I hope I beat the odds, laughed till I couldn't stop, that I heard that I loved and I lived before it's all over, that I have no regrets when I get older. Giving up, call for help on my knees, just trying to be me. Done my best to be the best that I could ever possibly be. Always wanted to be there for anyone and be generous and kind, and put my heart in everything with an open mind. Oh, I wish I can say that I dreamed when I get older. I hope I said goodbye, wiped off the tears I've cried, said I'm sorry for things that I've done, and I hope I got closure. I hope I beat the odds, laughed till I couldn't stop, that I heard that I loved and I lived before it's all over, that I have no regrets when I get older. I hope I said goodbye, wiped off the tears I cried. I hope I beat the odds, laughed till I couldn't stop, that I heard and I loved and I lived before it's all over, when I get older, when I get older, that I heard that I loved and I lived before it's all over, when I get older.
This dance is called When I Get Older, choreographed by Amund Storsveen. It's a 40-count, 2-wall, intermediate to advanced level rolling hang line dance. There is no tag or restarts in this dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot, slightly cross and hit your left foot, slightly cross and hit your right foot, slightly cross and hit your left foot. For rock, recover, quarter turn left stepping to side, point right foot to right side. Quarter turn right on your right foot and make a quarter turn right sweep your left foot. Cross, side, behind, side. Section 2, cross rock facing 430, recover, side. Cross rock facing 130, recover, half turn right stepping forward, now facing 730, forward, full turn to your left. Half turn left, stepping back, half turn left, stepping forward. Step right foot forward and make a half turn left, keep weight on your right foot. Left foot forward, together. Section 3, left foot forward and make a half turn right, keep weight on your left foot. Right foot forward with a sweep, forward with a sweep, now still facing 730. Cross, 1/8 turn right stepping back, now square up to 9 o'clock. Side, angle your body to right diagonal facing 1030. Forward and hit your right foot. coaster step. Step forward, pivot quarter turn right. Now facing 130. Section 4, cross, quarter turn left, stepping back, facing 1030. Quarter turn left, stepping to side, facing 730. Cross, quarter turn right, stepping back, half turn right, stepping forward, now facing 430. Step forward, pivot half turn right, back to 1030. Forward, quarter turn left, side, quarter turn left, cross. Now back to 430. Back, half turn left, stepping forward. Together. Now facing 1030. Section 5, forward rock, recover with a sweep, back with a sweep, back, 1/8 turn left, stepping to side, square up to 9 o'clock. Cross rock, facing 730, recover. 3/8 turn right, stepping forward. Stay left foot forward and make a spiral forward turn right. Forward, stay left foot forward and make a half turn right. Keep weight on your left foot. Last step. Now let me show you the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and R, 5, 6, 7 R, 8 R. 1, 2 R, 3, 4 R, 5, 6 R, 7, 8 R. 1, 2, 3, 4 and R, 5, 6 R, 7, 8 R. 1, 2 R, 3, 4 R, 5, 6, 7 and R, 8 and R. 1, 2, 3, 4 R, 5, 6 R, 7, 8 R. That's the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.